Ghostmaker by Tanya Shatseva in size 30 by 40 cm with free electric diamonds. Simply sprinkle your electric diamonds in the widest areas in the picture, and this is mainly for this particular canvas the symbol right arrow. So you don't have to fill in all of the right arrow symbol with electric diamonds, but you can choose the areas which you would like to have some electric diamonds in it. And I would suggest and recommend placing a lot of it in her mouth so that it looks like there's light coming out of her mouth, hence the Ghostmaker electric spirit.